out champagne and the fireworks are through. Here we are, me and you, feeling lost and feeling blue. It's the end of the party and the morning seems so gray, so unlike yesterday. Now's the time for us to say we had before are all dead, nothing more than confetti on the floor. It's the end of a decade in another town.